Hi everyone, welcome to VT. Um, in this session, we are going to learn IICS Administration Basics. This is the first part of IICS Administration. The full form of IICS is Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. Uh, so, in this tutorial, we're going to learn what is IICS, why Informatica moved from on-premise Power Center to IICS, so how we can do administration in IICS? What is the differences between Power Center and IICS? So coming to IICS, IICS is a cloud-based data integration platform where we can perform ETL and data quality transformations and mass ingestion, you know, mass ingestion feature. Uh, IICS is a platform which contains different features like data integration, application integration, mass ingestion, etc. So these are all called microservices of IICS. Each service has its own ability, so it can perform its own thing. Like data integration perform regular ETL. So we can say it is a duplicate of Power Center with advanced features where we cannot achieve some features in Power Center, but we can do using data integration. If you come to mass ingestion, where we can push the data from source to target, bulk amount of data within very less time to the target. Also mass ingestion contains CDC, change data capture. So mass ingestion, if you enable CDC in mass ingestion mappings, automatically mass ingestion will find the changes and automatically it reflect the changes into the target. So like that, every microservice in IICS has its own ability to perform the things. uh, so in recent times, all the organizations are moving to cloud. So that's the reason Informatica also moved to IICS. But the problem is, even they are saying it is cloud. We must install a footprint of Informatica into in our firewall, which is called Secure Agent. Secure Agent is a small Java-based software. It is self-upgraded software. Why? Because so once you install Secure Agent, it will upgrade on its own in the next cycle. So you no need to perform that upgrade activity on your own. So why Informatica still needs a secure agent? Because Informatica has a wide customer base. Most of the customers do not agree to go to cloud easily because maybe privacy issues, security issues are there. So that's the reason Informatica introduced this secure agent. Even though they are cloud, you must install the secure agent software in your firewall. Whatever data processing happening in Informatica cloud, that will happen in your own servers. It's not go into Informatica cloud unless you choose that option. It will fall under your secure agent firewall and it will run there. So you can transfer the data from your on-premise, your network data to your cloud data, network data, open cloud, anywhere. But processing will happen in your own firewall. So the data will not go out when you are processing the data. So to learn IAC, so when it the differences between Power Center and IICS is when it comes to Power Center, you need to do so much of administrative activities like installing Power Center, upgrading, client installations, and service installations. Uh, Along with this, regular things like user creation and connection creation, testing, monitoring. But the main part like installation of software, upgrade of software, installation of client, uh, you know these things were removed from the IICS. You no need to apply the patches also. Everything would be taken care by Informatica on a cycles basis. Quarterly cycle would be there. In that cycles, they'll push all the updated code into their IICS with zero downtime. So I think as per Informatica, it's a zero downtime, or they'll give that time zone where they're performing these upgrades. Once upgrade is completed, all the services will come up on their own. There would be a new service will span on its own. So that's how IICS was built. So the only administrative part you need to do is just creating the different users, secure agent installation. When there is a need, we need to install multiple secure agents. One is for QA, one is for test, one is for like that. So that is one thing you need to do, and regular things like creating connections and adding users and groups and monitoring jobs. So this is all what you need to learn as part of administration, IICS administration. So the learning path is showing here. So first you need to create a trial account. So if you are working in an organization, then you can if you have the access to Informatica Cloud from your organization, then you can directly log in there, and so you can start working on that. So in this tutorial, I'll just show you how to create IICS free trial account. In the next subsequent sessions, we'll work on different things like how to install secure agent, how to do these steps like creating connections, creating users groups. So to create a trial account, you need to say IICS trial account, something like this in Google. Then you'll choose first option. If you click on free trial here, if you scroll down, you'll see free trial here. So you need to, so this is the 30-day trial account. So you need to fill in the details like what is your first name, last name, job title, work email. So what is the role? So choose administrator here. Uh, then your phone number, organization name, country, these details. Then uh, the data center should be Asia Pacific because we're in India. Then I have read conditions, and then click on start free trial account. Once you click on there, so I already did this one. So once you click on, after filling this form and click on submit, so you'll see something like you already, thank you for successfully registering with Informatica. You have received an email, please activate it. So if you go to your inbox, you will see like this admin. So this is what you see. So this is what you see. So there you'll see the username and password. So when it comes to this form, you have an option to use your email ID as a username. So if you check this option, uh, if you uncheck this option, you can have a custom username. If you check this option, whatever email address you have provided, the same would be as your user name. So this is the username, and this is the login URL they have sent. So first time when you click on verify me now, it will take you to this screen where you need to put a new password for this, and you need to answer a security question. So this is what you do. Once you are done with this, you would be able to log into uh, IICS login URL. 1 minute, I'll just copy this URL. Copying this one, putting here. Yeah, it's automatically taking me here. So once you log in here, you will see different microservices: data integration, application integration, operation insights, administrator. So there is these all services will do specific functionalities. uh, you will see there would be a specific functionality related to each service. So data integration will perform mainly ETL activities. Application integration will perform so application integration, like you'll connect to different kinds of applications and fetch the data. Operation insights is there to monitor your jobs. I mean the on-premise products jobs also, like Power Center. You can configure Power Center domain or data quality domain, EDC domain here, and you can monitor the service health and job health. Everything you can monitor from operation insight. So in that way, there is a specific functionality associated with each microservice in Informatica IICS. So as this is a free trial account, you will see very less number of services here. So if you log in using your maybe your organization account, you will see more number of services like data quality also available. Uh, there are a lot of PC to cloud integration hub. There mass ingestion also available. So there are a lot of uh, you know uh, services available if you purchase them through license. So once you come here, so first of all we'll go to the administrator section is where you can perform lot of administrative activities like installing secure agent. So you cannot install from here. Configuring secure agent, creating connections, creating users, creating groups. So everything you can perform here. So you can set up a SAML from here. So you can perform all the administrative activities from here. So let's say I'll try to create a connection here. New connection, name can be test, something type is, let's say, first flat file, runtime environment. So this runtime environment is nothing but secure agent. as I told, right, secure agent is a self-upgraded software, a small piece of Java-based software which you need to install to perform the actual activities in IICS. So in our next session, we are going to work on this secure agent installation. What is secure agent? How we'll install secure agent, and what is the folder structure? What logs we need to verify when secure agent is down? So this is what we do in our next series, next session. Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.